Hey guys, thanks for tuning in, and you're watching DIY Bin. So today on DIY Bin, we are going to be making a slime that I have named Water Slime. It's not a new type of slime, it's just, well, you'll see what it is in the video. So the ingredients you will need are some clear glue, any brand will work, water, just using some tap water in this bottle I had, lemon hand soap, or also if you just have some hand soap and some lemon essential oils, that would work. Yellow floam beads, which are optional. I have mine off to the side, and some activator. I made my activator off camera. It's just in this little cup. I used 1 ounce of water to 1/8 of a teaspoon borax powder. The ingredients will also be listed down below in the description. So, yeah. So the first step is you want to get some your clear glue. I'm going to use 0.8 ounces for this slime recipe because if you didn't know, this week is miniature week on my channel. So yeah, I'm making a bunch of miniature slimes. So I'm just going to get 0.8 ounces of clear glue. This is going to take too long, so I'll just pour it in very slowly through this. This, in the end, should add up to about a 2-ounce slime, by the way. So if you just use 4 times these measurements, so like I think that'd be like 3.2 ounces of glue, then you would get the same effect, but it'd be an 8 ounce. So we got the clear glue here. Then you're going to want to get equal parts water and clear glue. Once again, I'm going to use 0.8 ounces of water. Just pour it in there. Yep, that's 0.7, but that's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. So next you are going to want to mix that up. Just put your glue and water off to the side, out of the way. So just mix that up very carefully. I don't want to spill it everywhere. Until it's all like the same thickness, I guess. Then I'm going to add 1 drop of yellow food dye, and you want to use food dye and not a little bit of paint because food dye is clear but paint is not, so it won't be clear if you use paint. Let's mix that up, and then I might use more. No, that's perfect. I love that color. Perfect. So the next step is add 2 pumps of your lemon hand soap. There we go. Set that off to the side. Mix it up. The lemon hand soap will kind of give it a lemon scent, hopefully. So far I've been unsuccessful trying to get it to scent slime, but since this is such a small amount, it should be fine. And you're going to want to mix that until it's fully mixed in, and then you just want to go in with your activator little by little until it is done. So let's activate it. Okay guys, I got slime activated. Sorry you couldn't see the whole like activating process. I was gonna time lapse it all, but my camera cut out like 2 minutes into it. So it's just that little clip that I have, but this is what it should turn out to be. Should be like a foggy yellow. Well, not foggy, like a it's not going to be transparent immediately, but jiggly slime will clear up faster than like clear slime because it's thinner. So jiggly. I like it. It's really jiggly. I like it. But yeah, if you just leave this for like a day or two, probably. I'm not really good at clear slime, so I don't know. But I would assume like a day or two, all the bubbles should rise out of it since it's such a small slime and it's jiggly. But yeah. So that's pretty much all I got planned for this video. In case you didn't guess, throughout the video, we made a jiggly slime. Ooh, I forgot. 1 second. Let me get those. Let's see, where are they? Are they in here? I think they're in here. Yeah, this is where I keep my foam beads. I'm just gonna add a few yellow foam beads for decoration, and then we'll do some ASMR. You could also add like pink and make it pink lemonade if you wanted, but I'm just adding some yellow because I thought yellow would be neat. I'm just gonna pour a few on. Okay, let's do some ASMR. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out yesterday's themed week episode. On the 14th, I should have a restocking video where I'll show you all of the miniature slimes that I will have in stock from the 14th through to the 21st. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, I forgot to mention this, but if you have any leftover activator, you can just take one of your small containers and pour it in there, and then snap the lid on, and then you won't need to make as much activator next time. Especially if you like making slime a lot. Okay, bye!